Welcome to our channel. In this session, we will discuss some more examples of DFA. The first example is each string contains two consecutive zeros, and the second one is three consecutive zeros, and the next one is 101 as a substring. Now we will discuss these three examples. Coming to the first one, the string contains 00. Now, what is the regular expression? It contains 00. This is the condition. And before that, you have any combination of zeros and ones, and after you have any combination of zeros and ones. This is the regular expression they are given. Now, what is the language? 00 is accepted. Suppose 100, 1001, 0001. So 00 appears like this. Two zeros are needed. This is the constraint. According to that, write down Q0 is the initial state. First to write down the DFA that satisfies the base case. 0, Q1 on 0. We are moving to Q2. This is the final state. Okay. Now the question is on Q0 00 appear. Here before you have any number of ones, right? Before you have any number of ones, that is not a problem. And at Q2 you have any combination of zeros and ones. Observe, at the end there is no constraint. Why? Two zeros are already appeared. Before and after, whatever it is present, there is no constraint. Here 0 is already written, that is the result. I self loop as 1. Now this 0, 1, you can take any number of zeros and ones. Now on Q1, where 1 moves to, that is the question. For example, if my string is 10100, what is the case? 1, 0. What happened? This is accepted or rejected? Compulsory this string is accepted. Why? Two zeros appear. Now I am writing this one. Why? Whatever the case, the two zeros must and should be consecutive. If you written like this, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Whatever the string, 0, 0. You got it? This is the finite automata that accepts this condition. Clear? Clear? Now check any other example. 1, 0, 1, 0. This is not accepted. So 1, 0, 1, 0. By the end of the string, I am in non-final state. If you are in non-final state, means your DFA is correct. Why? This string is rejected string. Clear? Now move to the second question. My second question consists of three consecutive zeros. Now, what is the regular expression? My regular expression is changed to this one. Three zeros. What is the language? As usual, 0, 0, 0. Before that, you can have any number and so on. Clear? Now, as usual, whatever you are written in the previous example, same format. Q0 on 0 moves to Q1. Q1 on 0 moves to Q2, Q2 on 0 moves to Q3. This is the base condition. Observe 0, 0, 0. In the middle, three consecutive zeros are satisfied, and at the end, whatever it is there is no problem. Yes or no? Three zeros are appear. That is the only constraint. At the end, 0, 1, not a problem. At the beginning, any number of times 1 is repeated, that is also not a problem. Now the question is, on Q1, if 1 appears, where it moves? Always remember, three zeros condition is not to be violated. Even though 1 appear, again move from the initial state. 1 appear, if you are traversed to the initial state, again 0, 0 appear. Suppose on Q2, if 1 appear, move to the initial state. Whenever we are moving to the initial state, our traversal again begin. For example, if my string is 100100, observe, this should be accepted. How? Q0 on 1, Q0, 0, 0 and 1, 0, 0, 0. Accepted or not? For example, this. After this, 1. Got it? If all the three zeros appear, other than 0 appear, move back to the initial state. Again, it traverses 3, 0. This is the base concept here. Clear? This is the way how to draw a finite automata for 3 consecutive zeros. Now, here the condition is with 2 zeros, with 3 zeros. Now, something change the question as they given the fixed substring 101 as the substring. You are not allowed to change. Only the substring 101 is accepted. Before 101 and after 101, whatever it is present, not a constraint. Now, what is the regular expression? 101. Before that, any combination of zeros and ones. After any combination of zeros and ones. This is the regular expression. As usual, what is the language? 101 is accepted. Why? Here 0 number of times is repeated, 0 number of times repeated. 1, 101, 0, 1010. Okay? Like this. Now, how to write? As usual, same. Q0 with 1, Q1, 0, Q2 with 1, Q3. 101 is accepted or not? The string 101 is accepted. Now understand. If 101 is accepted, 0, there is no problem. Here 0, comma 1, no problem. Why? This 10 as it is present. Now the question is, on Q1, 1 appear, what happened? Here I am writing the self loop. Observe carefully. Even though 1 repeated any number of times, suppose 1101. So no problem. This 1 is repeated one time, 101 as a substring. Clear? So here 1 is repeated any number of times. By the end 101 as the substring. Clear? Now the main important thing is Q2 on 0, where it moves. Suppose if you are writing Q2 on 0 here, what happened? 1, 0, 0, 1. Maybe 0 is repeated one time. So this is wrong. Suppose if Q2 is on 0 is placed here, what happened? 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. That is 101 is not a substring. So this is also wrong answer. Suppose here if you are placing here, what happened? 1, 0. Anyway, if 0 appears, 0, 101. Got it? As usual in the previous scenario, you need to maintain 101. Other than any one appear, move back to the initial state. Again, your traversal start from the initial state. This is the DFA that accepts the substring 101. These are the different examples. In the next session, we will move to some more examples of DFA. Thank you.